So this video is in response to the CNN article on Sean Diddy Combs assaulting Cassie Ventura back in 2016. So if you haven't seen it by now, the footage of Sean Diddy Combs assaulting Cassie Ventura is profoundly disturbing and highlights a critical issue in workplace and personal safety. So as a workplace mental health expert, I find it essential to reflect on what could have been done differently by the hotel staff to protect Cassie and others in similar situations, because she is not the only one who's experienced this. So when Cassie reached out to someone at the hotel, you saw her calling on the phone. It's crucial to ask what the response was. Did the staff recognize the signs of abuse? Were they trained to handle such situations? And in many cases, untrained staff might not even know how to react effectively. This means that they can potentially miss opportunities to intervene and provide safety. So proper training for hotel staff and other service industry professionals, I'm talking healthcare, we're talking attorneys, we're talking anybody who works with the public, on identifying and responding to signs of abuse or human trafficking could make a significant difference. So if you're wondering, what should I do? How should I train my people? Here are just a few steps that could have been implemented in this case to make sure that Cassie Ventura was taken to safety. So one is recognizing the signs. You need to train your staff to recognize signs of abuse or distress, such as bruises, fearfulness, or erratic behavior, and that can be crucial in identifying potential victims early. Also, creating a safe environment. So establishing a protocol for providing a safe space for individuals in distress where you can offer them immediate refuge. So this includes having designated areas where victims can speak privately and securely. Next is effective response. And this is where I feel like the hotel could have stepped their game up big time if they had the correct training. So staff should be trained on how to respond to disclosures of abuse or viewing of abuse. And this includes knowing who to contact, such as law enforcement or support services, and how to offer support without escalating the situation, how to keep them safe while making sure that the person who is receiving the abuse is also safe. Next is clear communication. So ensure that there is clear, discreet ways for victims to communicate their need for help without drawing attention. As you see, she was trying to get away, and that did not work. How could she have escaped without drawing attention to the situation? This can be done with code words or specific signals, and these can be life-saving. Documentation and reporting then is the next thing. You need to properly document those incidents and report them to the appropriate authorities, and that is vital. This includes preserving any evidence, like surveillance footage, like they showed, as you saw in the CNN clip, and ensuring that all actions are taken, they're all recorded. So if the hotel staff in 2016 had been equipped with this knowledge and training, the outcome for Cassie Ventura could have been drastically different. Instead of urging her to leave without a solid plan for her safety, staff could have coordinated with law enforcement or domestic violence advocates to ensure she received the protection and support that she needed. By investing in comprehensive training programs, organizations and businesses, especially those that work with the public, can empower their employees to act confidently and effectively in these critical situations. So this not only protects individuals from harm, but also fosters a culture of safety and support for everyone. So it's time we prioritize training on recognizing and responding to abuse on all sectors. If you're interested in learning more about how to implement these practices in your organization, in your business, schedule a time to talk with me. Together, we can make a difference in preventing abuse and fostering a safer environment for everyone.